Sneeze. A sneeze is when air comes out of your nose suddenly. Sneezes happen when something bothers your nose. People say, "bless you," after sneezes. Example, the dust makes me sneeze. Temperature. Temperature shows how hot or cold something is. Body temperature shows if you're healthy. Normal body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius. Example, check the patient's temperature.
Weight. Weight is how heavy something is. People's weight can go up or down. Healthy weight is important for good health. Example, what is your weight in kilograms? Height. Height is how tall someone or something is. Children's height increases as they grow. Doctors measure height and weight together. Example, my height is 170 centimeters. Mirror. A mirror shows your reflection. Mirrors help people see how they look. Bathrooms and bedrooms have mirrors. Example, look at yourself in the mirror. Reflection. A reflection is your image in a mirror or water. Reflections look like you but reversed. Lakes and windows can show reflections. Example, I see my reflection in the water. Shadow. A shadow is a dark area made when light is blocked. Your body makes a shadow in sunlight. Shadows change size during the day. Example, the tree casts a long shadow. Light. Light helps us see things around us. Light comes from the sun, lamps, and candles. Without light, everything looks dark. Example, turn on the light, please. Darkness. Darkness is when there is no light. Darkness happens at night or in closed rooms. Some people are afraid of darkness. Example, I can't see anything in the darkness. Bright. Bright means having lots of light. Bright lights help people see clearly. The sun is very bright. Example, the bright sun hurts my eyes.